Hello everyone. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss about another topic, that is transduction in case of bacteria. It is the third process of recombination where the recombination occur. Okay, in case of bacteria, we have already covered about the conjugation and transformation process. The third process, that is transduction, how it is being occur. Okay, first of all, this process is the genetic recombination. Okay, again the word recombination, I am frequently using the word recombination. Okay, the process of genetic recombination, it was first discovered by Ginder and Lederberg. Ginder and Lederberg in 1952. Okay, in a bacterium that is called Salmonella typhimurium. Okay, where here also host and host infection you will see. In contrast to transformation process where the free naked DNA is being transferred via bacteriophage. Okay, here in case of transduction आम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रे काना देखला जे फ्री नेकेड डीएनए टा ट्रांसफॉर्म होतला. यू कैन सी द फ्री नेकेड डीएनए इज बीइंग ट्रांसफर्ड. बट इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसडक्शन देयर इज द वी कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ ओके द बैक्टेरियोफेज. द वर्ड बैक्टेरियोफेज. बैक्टेरियोफेज आम का कहूँ द फाज और द वायरस व्हिच एक्चुअली इन्फेक्ट द बैक्टेरिया. द वायरस व्हिच इन्फेक्ट bacteria or the virus which take bacteria as its host. So ताके हमें कुछ bacteriophage. Okay, and this transduction process, it is phage mediated. Okay, this is the phage mediated process with the help of certain bacteriophage. Okay, this transduction process is being occur. ता माने काना total bacteriophage. Okay, this bacteriophage आम जो bacteriophage रा कथा कहूँ. Okay, again this bacteriophage are grouped into T even phage. Okay, T odd phage. तमने T phages are also bacteriophage other than T even and T odd. T even phages means what? T2, T4, T6 and so on. Okay, these are all the types of bacteriophage. T even phages. T odd phages means T1, T5, T7 and so on. Other than these T phages, we can say the bacteriophage, that is T phages, and other than this the lambda phages are also there. We can say lambda phage. Okay, so depend करूचे which bacteriophage infect which type of host. जरूरी नुहे जे सबू phage रो host same रहेगा. Are you getting my point? So they will choose the compatible host and reproduce or ultimately here two process is being occurring. The recombination process is being going on and also the virus itself increase its progeny. Total transduction process, which is the phage mediated. Okay, the overall transduction process are categorized into two category. First of all, the generalized transduction. Okay, and second, it is the specialized transduction. So we will see what is the first I'll tell you what is the major difference between these two transduction process. Generalized transduction means what? Simply it is a host. Okay, it is a host means any type of bacterial cell. जरूरी है कहे कि होस्ट ताकू बैक्टीरिया सेल ही नबा. Can be phage particle or we can say the virus. Okay, and their structure will be like this. Okay, these are the phage structure. They infect the bacteria. Okay, they insert their genomic sequence into the bacteria or into the host cell and the progeny, the new progeny will form. तामने काना generalized transduction आम काना कहूचे some bacteriophage infect certain bacteria and take them as their host. They insert their genomic sequence. Okay, and by utilizing the host genomic sequence they replicate themselves inside the host bacteria. Okay, जितले replication कले तांकर progeny number increase हबा, daughter nuclei increase हबा. Once से daughter cell गुड़ा को increase हे गले, now this cell will burst open, releasing the small phage particle. Okay, releasing the small phage particle. ताके आमे कहूँ कण generalized transduction. It is also known as the lytic cycle of the phage. आमे ताके कहूँ lytic cycle. Okay, while the specialized transduction means what? Specialized, the word itself suggesting this specific sequence. Specific sequence are being responsible. एई जगह कण होचे एटा हला होस्ट हला बैक्टीरियोफाज एंटर कला ओके एंटर कला परे बैक्टीरियोफाज एंटर नहीं करे बैक्टीरियोफाज रो जीनोमिक मटेरियल एंटर कला दिस जीनोमिक मटेरियल विल इंटीग्रेट इटसेल्फ इनटू द बैक्टीरियल जीनोम और द होस्ट जीनोम इंटीग्रेशन माने काना तांकर भितर निहाती सीक्वेंस कंपैटिबिलिटी थिबा दैट्स व्हाई इट कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट इनसाइड द होस्ट जीनोम जदि इनकॉर्पोरेशन हैला ताके कहूँ आमे इंटीग्रेशन ताके कहूँ इंटीग्रेशन ए जगह किसी इंटीग्रेट नहीं होता है रादर से वायरल जीनोमटा बैक्टीरियल जीनोम रो जीनोमिक मटेरियल रो और तार सबू प्रोसेस रो एंजाइम्स गुड़ाक यूज करके तार निजर पार्टिकल गुड़ाक मल्टीप्लाए करतिला एई जगह से खाना कला स्पेशलाइज ट्रांसडक्शन रे से निज को इनकॉर्पोरेट करदेला कहा संगरे होस्ट जीनोम संगरे से इनकॉर्पोरेशन के कहूँ इंटीग्रेशन ओके आउ जो कंडीशन रे सपोज दिस इज मैं धीरे धीरे प्रयास में दिस इज द बैक्टीरियल जीनोम और होस्ट जीनोम ओके एंड दिस इज द वायरल जीनोम ए कंडीशन का आम कहूँ प्रोफाज कण कहूँ प्रोफाज ओके मन रखि ए कंडीशन रे ताके आम कहूँ माने से इंटीग्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ द वायरल बैक्टीरियोफेज अलोंग विथ द होस्ट जीनोम दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोफाज आ से प्रोफाज स्टेज रे जो इंटीग्रेशन शो करुचे जो ट्रांसडक्शन प्रोसेस शो करुचे ताके कहूँ स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रांसडक्शन ताके कहूँ स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रांसडक्शन बट वी विल डिस्कस इट लेटर वन बाय वन फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द generalized transduction okay in generalized transduction it is the simple form of the transduction process where there is no integration rather the lysis will be occur that's why the word lytic cycle and a जो integration होचे ताके हमें कहूँ lysogeny what we will call lysogeny this integration is called lysogeny that's why the lysogenic cycle will be occur here so lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle the word or these names with respect to the bacteriophage. While the transduction process are grouped into two categories, the generalized transduction, the specialized transduction. One important thing is that in generalized transduction, only lytic cycle are being involved. Only lytic cycle are being involved. Okay, where the lysis is occur. Lysis means cutting. Okay, lysis is actually occur. Okay, where the viral genome use the bacterial genome and replicates its genome inside the host and gradually the progeny will release out through lysis through cutting lysis of the bacterial cell total ताके कहूँ lytic cycle but lysogenic cycle आम कण कहूँ here in specialized transduction what happened not only lysogenic cycle seen the lytic cycle also seen तो देख ए केस रे लाइसोजेनी माने काना ए जो वायरल जीनोमटा एंटर करूचे बैक्टीरियल जीनोम और होस्ट जीनोम सांगे इंटीग्रेट हो जाए जगह किसी इंटीग्रेशन नहीं होते रादर तार रेप्लिकेशन मेकानिज्म को से यूटिलाइज करूला ए जगह डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेट करवा सो इंटीग्रेट करूचे माने देयर मस्ट बी सर्टेन कंपैटिबिलिटी यार वायरल जीनोम आउ होस्ट जीनोम भितर किसी गोटे कंपैटिबिलिटी रहबा कथा दैट्स व्हाई दे विल रिकम्बाइन ओके एटा हला वायरल जीनोम एटा हला बैक्टीरियल जीनोम तांकर भितर सीक्वेंस सिमिलारिटी रहबार कथा so they will incorporate the viral genome will incorporate and that incorporation is called integration or it is that state is called prophage okay and this process is called as specialized transduction or the process known as lysogeny so जरूरी नहीं जे जगह खाली lysogeny हेबा the lytic cycle occurs in also seen here in specialized transduction gradually we will discuss one by one the generalized transduction okay first of all this generalized transduction it is mediated by some virulent phage ओके तो जानिछ इटा वायरुलेंट आइस माने वर्ड सजेस्ट करूचे जे इन्फेक्शन शो करबा ओके सो वायरुलेंट फाज गुड़ा कोई जगह आसबे मोस्टली T4 बैक्टीरियोफेज को तमे कंसीडर करि परबो T4 बैक्टीरियोफेज The best example T for bacteriophage, it is the viral particle, okay, bacteriophage, which infect the E. coli. It is the host. It is the host. So we will see here in generalized transduction what is actually being occurring, how this T4 bacteriophage infect the E. coli. Okay, lytic cycle, it lysis will occur. Okay, in generalized transduction, what happened, it is mediated by some virulent phage, okay, and certain temperate phage also, temperate phages also. Okay, virulent phage means what? The T4 bacteriophage, T2 bacteriophage, all are the virulent phages. Okay, so we will discuss this generalized transduction taking only one example, that is when T4 bacteriophage infect the E. coli, what is actually being occurring. Okay, so you will see by structure, that is, first of all, suppose I will draw here the bacteria. Okay, this is the E. coli. This is the E. coli. Okay, its genome here, the circular genome. Okay, and phage DNA I am giving you in red color. This is the phage DNA, phage, bacteriophage, T4 bacteriophage. Okay, and this is the phage DNA. We can say this is the phage DNA. Here complete. Now this phage DNA will attach. First process attachment, जोटा कि प्लस टू रे ऑलरेडी पढ़ी ये जगह एति नेसेसरी नुहे. ओके, वी जस्ट हैव टू गिव आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट इज जनरलाइज्ड ट्रांसडक्शन. दिस phage bacteriophage attached to the wall of the E. coli or host cell. This is the bacterium E. coli. This we can say this is the host. This is the host. Okay, and this is the host genome, host DNA or host genome. First of all, attachment. After attachment, what will happen? This viral DNA enter into the host genome, enter into the host genome, and rest portion what will happen? A rest portion जेति कि तार कैप्सिड रहा, जहाँ रहा, टेल रहा, हेड रहा, ये सबू बाहर रही डिग्रेड हो. There is no need of enter of all these particles. Rather, the sole purpose is that it will enter or it will invade only the genetic material. This phage DNA will now enter. Okay, this phage DNA will now enter, and it will use the genetic material or use the all the genetic material that helps in replication in the host genome. Okay, this is the host cell, and replicate itself inside the host genome. But a phage DNA be kana kala enter into the host genome or host cell. ये जो एंट्री के हमें कहूँ कण, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अटैचमेंट है, सेकंड जो एंट्री के कहूँ दैट इज सेकंड फेज इज कॉल्ड पेनेट्रेशन. Penetration. Okay, it will penetrate. It has a first. This is the second, penetration. After penetration, what happened? When the viral genome enter into the host cell, the host genome degrade. The host genome degrades. So what will occur? Next page. That is, it is the host genome. See, the host genome degrade. Okay, and the phage genome multiply. This is the phage DNA multiply. Okay, multiply or replicate, you can say anything. And this is the fragmented bacterial genome. Fragmented bacterial genome. This is actually called lytic cycle. Now what will occur? This by utilizing, ebe देखो, inside the bacterium or the host cell, ए जो phage DNA टा एंटर करी छे, यार रेप्लिकेशन, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन और ट्रांसलेशन प्रोसेस सबूटा को यूज करिकी DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, ribosome of the host genome, it will be utilized by the phage DNA. ओके, यार देख प्रोटीन को यूज करवा, यार राइबोसोम को यूज करवा, यार DNA पॉलीमरेज, RNA पॉलीमरेज को यूज करवा, एंड ग्रेजुअली इट विल फॉर्म द कैप्सिड. आउ तुम जानिच कैप्सिड गोटे प्रोटीनियस स्ट्रक्चर है. सो से कैप्सिड फॉर्मेशन रो प्रोटीन भी से कहार थ्रू रो बनावा? एई बैक्टीरियल जीनोम मटेरियल थ्रू रो बनावा. आउ इनसाइड द बैक्टीरियम इट विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड फॉर्मिंग द प्रोजेनी. दैट इज कॉल्ड हियर here. Okay, certain portion of the bacteria DNA will also present here. Some bacterial DNA also present along with the phage DNA. Okay, and this is the phage DNA and this is the phage genome and phage protein. Now this progeny, okay, this is called progeny. Eta hela new progeny. Okay, and later on what happened, जेतेबेले ए जगह से multiply करी जेबा inside the host, later on it will what, it will degrade means now the host will cell will lysed. Okay, lysis will occur. lysis हला बेले काना होचे ए progeny गुडा को तापरे बाहर को बाहरी जेबे. Okay, and बाहर को बाहरला परे काना करबे, now they are ready to infect another bacterial cell. Okay, now they are ready to infect another bacterial cell. So let's see. To be infected or to be infected by this viral genome. Viral genome will utilize the host genome material and progeny are being forming. And after the progeny formation the lysis will occur. After lysis what happened, the new progeny which is so formed now ready to infect another bacteria. Another bacteria को infect कला परे then next binary fission है कि तापर तारो multiplication start हला. Bacteria रो multiplication होचे माने viral genome रो भी multiplication होचे and ultimately it cause, that's why it is called virulent phase. Bacteria रे से infection cause करि पारुचे. So ए जगह रे केतेटा step देखो मने रखो. First of all attachment, second penetration, third latent period where actually the degradation is been occurring. Okay, and fourth one the maturation period जोटा आछे जो जगह कि viral genome टा bacterial genomic material को use करी कि तारो निजर capsid form करूचे. This capsid is so formed by utilizing the viral bacterial genome. Transcription, translation सब process को से use करबा. RNA polymerase को use करी पारबा, ribosome को use करी कि तारो protein capsid form करबा. तो ये protein capsid केंती form हैला, host genomic material को use करी कि ही form हैला. Are you getting my point? Okay, so this is called maturation and thereafter the lysis will occur where the progeny are being ready to infect other bacterial cell by releasing from the parent host cell. तो गोटे host को infect कला तापरे next host को infect कला सही process चलला फिर release है कि another host को infect कला तो ए process रे काना से multiplication भी करूचे आ bacteria को काना करूचे infection भी cause करूचे. So this type of phase is called lytic cycle where you can see the lysis. There is lysis occur, खाली lysis हे जाउचे cutting हे जाउचे और सब progeny गुडा को बाहर के बाहरी जाउचे. But it is different in case of specialized transduction. Okay, in specialized transduction we will see how this integration is being occur. Integration kenti hoche. Okay, so in next video I will upload the specialized transduction. For this, for now this is the specialized transduction. Okay, thank you.